Alright, language explorers. So let's listen to some Shakespeare sonnets in British English accent. As an unperfect actor on the stage, who with his fear is put beside his part, or some fierce thing replete with too much rage, whose strength's abundance weaks his own heart, so I for fear of trust forget to say, the perfect ceremony of love's rite, and in mine own love's strengths seem to decay, or are charged with burden of mine own love's might, or let my looks be then the eloquence and dumb presagers of my speaking breast, who plead for love and look for recompense, more than the tongue the more hath more expressed, or led or learned to read what silent love hath writ. To hear with eyes belongs to love's fine wit. Oh, how I faint when I of you do write, knowing a better spirit doth use your name, and in the praise thereof spends all his might, to make me tongue-tied speaking of your fame. But since your worth wide as the sea is, the humble of the proudest sail doth bear, my saucy bark inferior far to his, on your broad main doth wilfully appear. Your shallowest help will hold me up afloat, whilst he upon your soundless deep doth ride. Or, being wrecked, I am a worthless boat, he of tall building and of goodly pride, that if he thrive and I be cast away, the worst was his, my love was my decay. My glass shall not persuade me I am old, so long as youth and thou are on of date. But when in thee time's furrows I behold, then look, I death my days shall expiate. For all that beauty that doth cover thee is but the seemly raiment of my heart, which in thy breast doth live, as thine in me. How can I then be elder than thou art? Oh, therefore, love be thyself so wary, as I not for myself but for thee will, bear in thy heart which I will keep so chary, as tender nurse her babe from faring ill. Presume not on thy heart when mine is slain, thou gavest me thine not to give back again.